In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays Bank account online in the UK. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring you understand the process entirely. So grab your device and let's get started. First, the journey begins at the Barclays official website. You'll want to navigate to the address bar of your browser and type in www.barclays.co.uk. It's really crucial to enter the web address yourself to avoid security risks such as phishing scams. Be wary of any links you might receive via email or text. They can be deceptive. Once you're on the homepage, your next task is to choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Click on Bank Accounts or Current Accounts. Here, Barclays offers various options, each tailored to different requirements. For everyday banking needs, you might opt for the Everyday Current account. If your income is higher, the Premier account may be more suitable. Student accounts cater to those attending university, whereas the children's account is designed for those under 18. Lastly, if your goal is saving money, there's a savings account ready for you. After careful consideration, click Apply Now under your chosen account. With your account type selected, you'll proceed to fill in your details. An online form will appear asking for some personal information. You'll need to enter your full name, date of birth, and UK address alongside your postcode. Additionally, your email and phone number are required, plus your nationality and tax information, if it's necessary. Make sure to double check everything for accuracy before moving on. The next step involves verifying your identity by uploading proof. You have options here. A passport or driving license can confirm who you are. For proof of address, a recent utility bill or bank statement will do. If you're applying via your smartphone, Barclays may also ask you to take a photo of your ID. Additionally, they could request a selfie or short video to further verify your identity. This additional step is part of enhanced security measures and helps ensure the process remains secure. With all documents submitted, the final step is to wait for approval. Barclays will review your application, and you'll receive a confirmation email once everything is processed and approved. If your application is accepted, you'll be provided with your sort code and account number. Additionally, expect to receive your debit card in the mail, typically within 5 to 7 working days. And there you have it, a straightforward process to opening a Barclays Bank account online in the UK. Each step is designed to be user-friendly and secure, allowing you easy access to your new bank account. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck with your new Barclays account.